Hi everyone, today I'm trying out these round brushes and hair clips from AIMIKE, and I wanted to share my honest first impression and experience using them on natural hair. First of all, the packaging is beautiful and very professional. Each round brush also comes with two hair clips, which is such a thoughtful addition. They are perfect for keeping sections organized while styling, and they have a strong grip that holds the hair securely in place. Another thing that stood out to me is the bristle density. The bristles are nicely packed, which helps create better tension and control while styling. I might also offer clip sets in different colors, styles, and designs, which I think is a nice bonus. The clips feel strong and durable, and they are incredibly useful for sectioning hair during blowout and other styling techniques. One of the first things I noticed is how lightweight they are. Even though they are very light, they still feel certainly durable and well made. The handles are comfortable to hold, making them easy to work with during styling. What I love most about these brushes is how smoothly and move through the hair. They glide effortlessly without pulling or snagging, and they rotate very easily while blow drying. This makes the styling process feel much more comfortable and controlled. After using these tools, my overall impression is very positive. The brushes feel comfortable, lightweight, and easy to use, while the clips are practical, secure, and reliable. Together, they make the entire styling process smoother and more enjoyable. If you are looking for round brushes that glide through the hair easily and clips that actually hold the hair in place, these are definitely worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.